Most businesses do not lose leads because people are not interested. They lose leads because they follow up too slowly. Someone calls, no one answers. Maybe they leave a voicemail, maybe they do not. Then hours later, or even the next day, someone finally gets back to them. By then, that lead may already be talking to a competitor. That is the difference between manual follow-up and AI-powered follow-up. Manual follow-up depends on people remembering to call, text, email, and check back. But people get busy, calls get missed, messages fall through the cracks. AI does not forget. When a lead calls, fills out a form, or sends a message, AI can respond almost instantly. It can ask questions, qualify the lead, collect details, and keep the conversation moving until a real person is ready. That means more conversations, more booked appointments, and more closed business. For service businesses, speed wins. For service businesses like plumbers, roofers, HVAC companies, restoration companies, and locksmiths, the business that responds first usually has the advantage. AI follow-up is not about replacing relationships. It is about making sure no lead gets ignored before the relationship even starts. Ready to capture more leads, respond faster, and turn missed opportunities into revenue? Visit perfectbusinessai.com today.
Want to scale your business using AI? Go to Perfect Business AI and get your free customized blueprint. It's your step-by-step roadmap to dominate. Go get yours today.